So we're out here in Murphy, and I was out here a couple days ago. This man has a leak in his system, had a leak in his system. I was actually just looking at the equipment as they pull it out, and I noticed oil right here, which is very common. You can see kind of a shiny surface there. That is not water, where there usually is water in this drain pan, but that is definitely oil. Leaking down here on the bottom, which is a very, very common problem, especially in substandard equipment. So we're doing full change out, 2-system change out, and getting him much more efficiency, much better equipment. So we're going to go inside, take a look at the furnaces that we're installing, the evaporator coils, everything in the attic. Alright, so we're up in the attic. This is the master bedroom system that is already hanging, and about 90% of the way of getting him back to some cool air, some very efficient air, American standard, obviously. Best product on the market. So we actually have 2 systems. We're working on the other system here, which is for the main part of the house. Still need to do quite a bit here, duct work, but hanging, looking good so far. Okay, so when they get done, these drain lines come in. One's a primary, one's a secondary. One goes outside, one goes to the restroom sink. They come back into the coil. We're gonna end up putting float switches on here, one in the main drain line, one on the drain pan. Basically an emergency switch for an emergency switch. We'll put a blowout valve on it, so we no longer have to cut the drain line to blow the drain line out every single year or however often it wants to back up. So we definitely want to make sure that we're doing everything to try and prevent the ceilings from getting any kind of water damage, any type of risk at all that we can eliminate or help prevent. That's what we're all about. So we're out here on the outside. Condensers have been set. Finishing up some solder joints. We're going to get them all vacuumed out properly and get this guy some cold AC pretty quick. Very efficient cold AC. 10-year warranty on these bad boys. Yep. So just because summer is coming to an end, don't forget about all your HVAC needs. We can get this stuff put in any time of the year, obviously, but don't wait until your systems are too stressed out. They break on you when it's 105 degrees, and it takes a couple days to actually get you some cool air going. Don't forget about your off-season specials too.